braf iawn croesawu aelodau o Goleg Brenhinol yn Nyrsio ar draws Cymru'n cynnwys Ynys Môn yma i'r Senedd. And great to welcome RCN members from across Wales to the Senedd this evening. We've been arguing the case again today for extending the safe staffing levels legislation to inpatient mental health nurses, to district nurses, community nurses. We need to make sure that we have the right levels of nurses working in our health service. It's dangerous for patients if we don't, and it heaps the pressure on the nurses themselves. This is what I said earlier. Diolch am y cyfle i siarad yn y ddadl yma. Diolch i'r deisebwyr, wrth gwrs, am gasglu yr enwa mwyn tynnu sylw eto at sefyllfa argyfyngus da ni yn ei wynebu o ran niferoedd swyddi gwag, a'r angen i ymestyn y ddeddfwriaeth ar lefelau nyrsio diogel o fewn yn gwasanaeth iechyd ni. A dwi'n ailadrodd y gair yna, diogel. Mae hyn yn ymwneud â diogelwch cleifion, rhywun o'ch teulu chi falle, chi'ch hun efalle. O ddyfynu o'r ddeiseb I hun, os oes llai o nyrsys na ddyla fod, mae cleifion 26% yn fwy tebygol o farw. Experiences of the pandemic, of course, only reinforced what we already know about the NHS and the nursing workforce, one that was suffering from staff shortages, low pay, low morale, which operated in an environment deprived of investment and resources. It's no wonder that one of the biggest challenges we have is the sustainability of the nursing workforce. There are far more nurses leaving the NHS than can be matched by newly qualified nurses or internationally recruited nurses. And regrettably, there's been far too little action by Welsh Government since RCN's last report in 2019 to address nursing retention issues. It's up to Welsh Government to lead, to take the lead on nursing retention through a national retention strategy. RCN Wales have published a retention paper that sets out what's being done elsewhere in the UK and what could be done in Wales. Instead, it seems Welsh Government would rather stick its head in the sand when it comes to the scale of the problem. There are no published national statistics provided by Welsh Government for nursing vacancies. Well, we've tried to help with that. The petition we have in front of us mentions 1,700 vacancies. Now, I was recently given a figure of over 400 vacancies in one health board. So seeing that, I knew that 1,700 sounded too low. So we conducted our own fresh research. In parallel, so did the RCN. And we both came to the same results, approaching 3,000 nursing vacancies in Wales. Now, it's a frightening figure, but the RCN's wider research tells us more. Figures earlier this year showed more than half of Wales's nurses are demoralised due to a staffing crisis. 78% of nurses felt patient care was being compromised. These are issues which are not going away. They need to be addressed right now. Fel dwi'n dweud, wastad yn braf cydweithio efo aelodau yr RCN.